Hello everyone, today is January 24th. Last time I complete the coding analysis for this problem. Find k closest elements in array, in a sorting array. And this time I'm going to try to run the code on the Leetcode website. So I copy the code and run it. Recite and delete and paste. Okay, I just run code. That's finished. It looks like I got correct answer. Let me submit again. Okay, time exceed. That's since the input array is very short and we exceed the time limit, I would guess that's some infinity loop, not ending. Okay, let me copy the one. Let me print out something right here. Okay, I'm going to print the made here. Make sure and go to the while loop. Okay, let me make sure we got starter, we got made, no change, that's fine, so we don't need a print made. We got end, yes, we got counter. Okay, that's the three items I am interested in. Okay, that's the print. Else, let me think. I don't think that will. Let me double check if that has problem. While start less than end. Okay. Let me see. Okay, run the code. That print nothing. That means this part. Okay. Okay, the target is 1. The target is 1, the size is 9. Okay. Okay, the size, search size is 9. So that's caused the problem. No. Why? Right, that's only 6 items in the array, and that's search the 9. One is the one. Let me see. Okay, so I'm going to print out something here to make sure. I guess 9 is the target and k is the size. That's right. That's right. But let me confirm here. The k equals and x equals k x. Okay, so that means we are searching 9 and try to get 1. So we print start and made. Okay, something wrong. Printf. Okay. Usually there's nothing, just compile error and nothing shows up. That's as my experiments. That's experience. That means some function is undefined. So I just do this and run. Okay, it seems the find middle is still may 2. So 3. Okay, hold on. Once we found one, hold on. That's weird. So start 5 and 5. That's my middle is 2. 2 is right here. That's 1. So that from made plus 1. That's 3. That's right. 3 right here. And made. Why that's still made equals 2? Hold on. Oh, I'm missing one thing. Stop here. So I need right here. Okay, stupid error here. So let me run the code again. Okay. Why we got 1 and the target is 10? So let me think. K1x9, that's right. So made is 3, that's fine. Start 3 and fall. Counter equals 1. Okay, that means hey. Made with certain K. Okay, K equals 1. Okay, so back to the logic right here. Counter less than K. Counter equals. Okay, that means starter made is what? Made is 3. Okay. Okay, starter equals 3. And so we start here equals 3. Counter equals 1, 3. Then not 3. So and is 5, I think. And is no, and is 4. 4 greater than 5, no. So not this branch. We go this one. So once starter is 3, 3 minus 3. Okay, 3 minus index 3 minus index 3 is 0. 0 less than AB as the end. 4 minus that's 0 2. And 0 equals 0, so we go this one. Starter minus 1, that means 2. And the counter plus 1, that's 1. Oh, that's the wrong one. Okay. Okay, I guess we need this one here, so we can't check. Counter equals K. Okay, once that reach to the K, so yeah, that's the issue. So let's run it. Okay, here we go. So I think once we check the condition at the equal comparison, that means the counter would be greater K by 1, then we move the starter index wrongly one element ahead. So we don't want that happen, so we just need this one. So okay, we try to submit the code again to see wrong answer. Okay, so we got 2 array and 2 target fun. So the problem is, so we got, okay, it seems that's the problem to locate made. We return 0, 1, and that is past 1, 3. Okay, made is 3, that means, hold on, okay, that means, how, I'm thinking how I tell, since 2, we could either return 1 and 3. Why we return 1 to 3? Because 1 to 3 close to the 1, okay. Oh, in that case, I think once we locate the target element between 2 elements, that means we need to include both in the array, okay? Oh, in that case, I'm handle like this. Since my implementation will locate the former elements between the target. So in the locator function, I will do this. I will do this first to make sure we include that one. Okay. Okay. Hold on. That means we could do this to include the latter one first to give the latter one priority. And that's what I'm thinking. I'm doing this and copy the test case, run the code. Nope, that doesn't go what I want. Then the index is 3, that means 1. And the starter, okay, starter 3 for counter 1. Let's go back to locator function. I try to write down the output, make sure when I review the code. So starter 3 for 1, 3 for 1. Okay, so 3 made is 3, so the starter will be 3 for 1. Counter is 1, that's fine. So we go either way. So if 3 minus that 0 and is 4, index 4 minus 3. Index 4 minus 3 is 2. Okay, 2 is closer. Okay, that's the case. Let me think. So things for the locator, I compare with the 1. So I definitely 0 is closer than 1 than 3. Okay, in that case, I might be add one more. Yes, maybe one more thing for the target. Yes, we definitely need a target. We don't do this one for the made, we just check make. Okay, that makes sense. Okay, let's do this again. Run it. Oh, wrong one. We need to call the one hex and run it. That's a syntax error. Let me correct that one. Okay, looks good. Let me run it again. Okay, I got correct answer. So let me submit. Wrong answer. Okay, so I return 994. I return 947. Expects 994. Okay, let me check. So, the target is 5. Okay, target is 5, 3. That's fine. So we locate 4, 7. The mid is 6. 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's okay. That's right. And we just need this one. We also need the input right here. Okay, I copy to the different screen and back to the search. Let me add the new line at the end for the better reading. So the first one is 67671. So okay, 671, 6, 7 and 1, 6, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9. So 6 items at 6 position is 7, 7, 7. And the target is 5. So we compile. Okay, starter here is 6. So the 6 is 4. So 4 minus 5, that's 1. So okay, we got 1. And the end is 6 is 7. 7 is 7. Number 7 minus 5 is 2. So we go forward to get starter minus 1. Starter minus 1 means 5. Counter plus 1, that's 2. Okay, and the size k is 3. Okay, so another thing is starter is 5. 5, 5. Why starter is 5? Oh yeah, that's 5. So 5 is 3. 3 minus 6 is 3. And is still 7. 7, 7 is 2. So it definitely choose 3, 4, 7, right? And well, it compare expect 3, 3, 4. That's why. Okay. Oh, okay. Okay, so that's another constrict. So, and A less than B, that means we need to choose front than the end. So, in that case, we need equals function right here, condition right here. That means we got same value between the starter and to the x and x to the end. We choose the first one, the former one. Okay, I think that's the answer. Let me copy the test case again and to the one and run the code. Okay, we got right answer. Okay, let me submit again. Wrong answer again. Oh dear. 011301. Why? Okay. So that's 2. Okay, the target is 2. So they checked 3, 4. Okay, 3, 4. I'm thinking. So in that case, that is 3. That means we locate 3, but we should return 3. Yes, 3. Index 3 is 1. That's right, 1. So first one is starter is 3 and end is 4. That's fine. So 1, 2, we choose 1. That definitely we choose 1. And so hold on. Wait a second. Okay. It seems here we cannot remove the equal, but we could return the equal plus 1. Okay. No. No. That means okay. Let me check. So it seems that was a problem because we have the checking the counter less than k, the target size, and that's and here run one time loop. That means that once the counter plus 1, that doesn't compare the 0 and 3, so just return the 0. Okay, let me check the result. 0, 1, that's return the same. But let's go second turn. Let's see. 3, 4, 1, and we take 1, that's no problem. And 2, 2, 4, we take 2, 4. Second time we got 2, 4, 2, 4, 2. 2, 0 minus 2 is 2. A is greater, so we go and counter 1, and we didn't do the starter. At that moment, the starter was, in that case, okay, starter. Okay, in that case, starter need goes back 1. If, okay, that's the case. We need to tell once if counter equals, okay, starter my plus 1. Okay, that's the case. Let me run the code again. Why? That's 2. 2, 4. Okay, 2, 0, 0, 4, 2, 3, 4, and 2 is 1. That's 2, and greater than 4. Okay, hold on. In that case, okay. In that case, that's already K, and we just need okay, let's run the example again. Here we go. I got right answer. Let me submit again. Oh dear, it's wrong answer again. So that's first one. We are expecting 9, but target is 9. So how that happen? 3. That's fine. Made a 3. 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 3, 10. 10, 3, 4, 1. Okay. No, that means okay. I'm thinking if that's that was 3, 4. That was 3, 10 minus 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 0, 1, 2, 3. 3. Okay, 3. How that happen? 3. 10 minus 9 is equals 1. And 4 minus 9 is equals 1. 1 equals 1. So we do here I also need this one. If counter equals to K, not equals to K, starter minus 1. Okay? Okay, that's the case. Okay, let me run it. Okay, I got right answer. I think that's regression test. Let me submit and let me check the more details here. We almost done. It's 50. Let me see. So 7, 7. That's no problem, and that's expect 2, 5, 5 to 8. And why we got 2, 5, 8? Okay, still locator function. Okay, finally that's search 3. Okay, 3 is 5 and is 9. Counter is 6 and target is 7. So that means once and is 9. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9. Okay, 9 greater than 8. 9 greater than 8. So we just do counter plus 1. and starter -1. Okay, and the counter that's 7. 7 we will go into the case. Okay, that's the 7. 2 9. Okay, that's same things I think. Right here we do here. Okay, we also need to here. I do submit. Wrong answer. Let me check. Is our regression same? Same? 650, 60 out of 60 is 33. Let me see. So that's search 8. I return. Okay, that's 8. Starter 1. That's supposed starter 3. Okay. Let me see. Okay, once the end greater than resize -1. If the counter already okay, let me try this. Okay, overflow. Okay, that's the one. So so far I got overflow, buffer overflow issue. So I check the log and I do see a problem. 2 3 starter is increasing, so that's not right. And back to the locator, locate starter function. I do observe that one is not right. I need counter equals k. We need start plus 1 return. Yes. And then we run that again. I do see the buffer overflowed, and based on the return, starter is keeping 2, and if we return starter at 2, that's need 4. 2 1 2. So that's wrong one. So something wrong on the locator. We supposed to locate something wrong. The logic is wrong on the locate starter. Let me copy out the output and go back to the code, the logic. Let me see. So if that's 2, okay, if that's 2, start from 2, 2 is 3, 3, 3. How that happen? We need to move something here, right? Hold on. So that's 3, 3, 2, 3, 2, 3. That's and this part is this part is 0 and this part is 1. So we go this branch. At the moment the counter is 1, so we don't start. Oh, okay. So in that case, we need starter minus and else. Yes, that's right. So let me try run that again. Okay, now that's right. I do submit again. Oh dear, that's buffer overflow. Let me copy the output again. So I got target 3 and the array like this. Let me see, that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7. So that means we need output host 7. Looks like. So it looks like number 4, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. That's fine. 4 is fine. But how in that case I would expect starter will be 0 and somehow that state on the 2. Okay, that to the end. So that to the end but didn't push up. Let me see. So once and greater or equal than array size. Okay. Starter. Okay. Why we need this one? I can't recall why. So in that case, yeah, we don't need this one. Hold on. Sometimes once the counter reach to k, it seems we don't need this one. Let me try again. I'm going to copy the input to the custom test case and run the code. Okay, that's right. Okay, let me do submit again. Let me see. It's time back and forth. The test case, okay, still on the 50. We return 5, expect 5, 5, 5, 6, 6, but I return 1, 2, 5, 5, 6, 6, 7, 8. It's 7. Mid is 7, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, this 7, okay. Then we search 7, 8, 9. We search 2, 9. We just pull 2. How that happen? That means when we reach to 9, we start 1, but the counter doesn't plus. Why? Let me see. Okay. That's the wrong one. And let me see if we could do that again. That's not right. That means we do 0, 1, 2 from 5, 5, 5. Why? Okay. Nine, 9, 9, 9. Okay. That's still the thing. I just delete that one, so okay, that's right. And do the submit. Wrong answer. Let me check what's the result. Still 50. Why I stuck on the 50 test case? Let me see. This one is 2333, but the 9. So 8. That's 8. So okay, that's 1. Okay, that's in that case, I think that once the and equals 1, that doesn't count. Counts when the and equals the size minus 1. So we can delete this one and try again. Yeah, here we go, and I do submit. Wrong answer. Let me check which test case I stuck this time. It's 59. It's okay. I'm moving forward. So that's the 1, 1, 2, 3, and I'm going to read to 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. Okay, 2, 3, 4 makes sense. 1, 2, 3 is not right. Okay, so 2 locate as made as 2. So 3, that's the right one. And 2, 2, 3. So first one is 2. And 2, 3, 0, 1. So we count 4. And is 3. So next time 1, 3, 1, 3, 1. That's 2. 2, 3 is 4. That's 1. So we count 3. So this time we need and plus 1. Why that didn't happen? That means in that case, that's 1, that's 2, 3, 2, 1, 2, 1. So we go else. Else means out and plus 1. That doesn't happen. Okay, let me go back. This one. So this one is 1, 1 is 2. And 3, now it's 0. Okay, 0, 3, that counts 3. So we need okay, 0, 3, same things. That's 0, 3. 0 means that's 2, 1. So 2, 1. 2, 1 we go out and plus 1. If counter now counter is 3. Why starter doesn't help? I'm thinking just now I expect the last loop enter this branch, but it doesn't. That's why I add the printout here. Okay, it seems that doesn't go that one. So 0, 3. 0, 3 means 0, 1. 3 is false. So that should be 2, 3. Why that happens? Okay, it seems that doesn't cause my ABS. Okay. Yeah, exactly. That doesn't cause my ABS. Oh, I learned. So I'm going to command this one out and print to branch and see what happened. And run again. Okay, starter, and it seems that one. Okay, in that case, and equals 3. Okay, and equals, okay, starter equals 0. Oh, okay. I got it. So in that case, 0. I need to do else then. Okay. I'm thinking move this one back and just attack this one and for the last round, and so I just checking that's 0 and we do here. Okay, it seems that will work. Nope. Okay, that's the one. Okay, in that case, I need to do this one minus the starter minus less than 10 and that less than 0 and return 0. Run the code again. This time I got right answer and run the code. Okay, let me see. So okay, that's the new case. I'm searching 2 and return 1, so we return made is 3. Why made is 1? Okay, we start 1, 2. 1, 2, we return. So in that case, in the short case, let me see that too. So in the short case, I expect in this array less than is 2, and we searching for 2, we expect return 1. How that happen? Let me see. The locate. Okay, find close one. Okay. Okay, so start 0 and 1 made 0. Okay, so let me copy the output here to another editor, and for the first very beginning, start is 1. How I start? Start is 0. Well, how that start equals 1? I remember start is 0. Oh yeah, that start is 0 here. Start is 0 and it's 1. Made is 0. That's fine. If made equals 1 not equal 2, so that's if made less than 1, so start equals made plus 1, that means 1, and made 1 plus 1 minus 1 is 0, that made is 1. Okay, but start made is 1 here. Okay. If we set start less and equal end, so we do this one again. So okay, it seems that works, because once that is going loop again, that means on the first time we search into the 1, we think 1 less than 2, so we're moving start to the second. And on the second loop, since the end is 1 and equals the length, so we could search 3 here. 3 is greater than 2, so we're moving back. That's maybe what I want. Let me check. Oh, but 3 is still the 1. I'm expecting that's 1, 1, 1. Okay. Okay, in that case. In that case, We don't need this one, we just start equals made, not made. Okay, let me check. One zero one zero one zero one 1010101. Okay, in that case, since we consider the constraints here, not a constraint, the integer a closer than x because we need to take the a because a is less than b. So in that case, I could try set start equals made, but end equals made minus 1 to cover that case. Let me see if that works. Looks not good. Okay, same thing. I'm thinking how I could make sure in that case we could locate the 1. Okay. Okay, in that case, I maybe need additional if config, additional if loop to do that. So I'm going to return what I made here. And I don't do any change here, so made is okay. So I'm going to copy this one. If abs arr made minus 1 made minus x, then made minus minus. I'll skip. Make sure made is the closed element, but in which is left, which is smaller than x if possible. Okay, let me run that code. Okay, I got it this time. I hope we could get accepted. Nope. Okay, that's the one. Let me see. Okay, still 61. Why is that a lot of test case? I remember this one is 61. Okay, let me back to the test case. 1, 5, 10 we're searching for. Okay, I only get K1X. What happened? happened? Why that's okay? Okay. Think I need to make sure the main is not start. In that case, if made greater than 0 and okay, I'm going to run this one again. Finally, so I got accepted one. I'm going to command out old print to speed up the result. Then I do submit again. Let me see what's the performance. Okay, that's really good one. I know summarize the change and bug fix. I know that's a lot of circuits I'm handling, so let me review from the main function line by line. First one, I fix. Let me see. Okay, so this is last and fresh memory, so that's this one. So sometimes the maid will return the closest, closest, closest element, but we can't make sure the closest one is smaller than the target x or bigger. So in that case, we do this one to make sure we have the smaller one if the made and the made minus 1 is the same differences to the target x. Okay, back to the locator. I don't remember I changed anything here, but back to the locate starter. Okay, so first one I remember I changed the counter. I make sure the counter, since counter starts by 1, so the condition is less and equals the length, the target length. And so I have a case to starter. I remove the equal case, equal 0 case, because there are some test case when the starter equals 0, we also need one more loop to compare the 0 and the end index one. And here I fix I add this one to make sure when that counter equals we scan the whole length, we make sure the starter to increase 1. In that case, I could simply do this. Why we need this? Okay. Okay, let me try submit again. Okay, so that logic, we could do this one, the same things. And the same things. Okay, so I do the side case, so I add the equal less and equal condition here to make sure all the elements selected when the starter has same differences to x compile the end indexed. And I do the monitor the same logic here to make sure we don't decrease starter when the counter is reached to the k length. Okay, so that's the one. That's the same case we need cover. So when we search the end of to the end of to the end, and once the counter is counted in, so we also need a starter go back one by one. So I think that's all I have. So I do submit, make sure I got one. Okay, check. Okay, this time I got one. Let me run that again to get constant result. Oh, that's worse. But anyway, that's accepted. So I think that's all for today. Thank you for the watching.